Honestly, as a driver, I'm trying to get my head in the right space. As I'm strapping into the car and putting all my gear on, everything goes really quiet all of a sudden. When you climb in for that first time, especially the first time of the day, you're just trying to get that mental reset and find the quickest way back to that driver focus that I think only drivers would really understand. To drive race cars, especially on their edge, to do that without even questioning what possibly is on the other side of that edge, what kind of dangers lie out there, I think takes a special human. You might call us crazy, but I think that's what makes a race car driver a race car driver. When I get home, especially after a race where we didn't win, the biggest thing I can think about is all the things that I think I could have done differently to win that race. I don't care what kind of race series you're racing in. I don't care what kind of driver you are. If you don't get out of the car and wonder what you could have done better, you're never going to get better.
I need to pee, which means we're gonna go fast.
Doesn't it suck to be in the car because I got to go?
I see how it is. Alright, they're giving us the thumbs up here, so time to just stand up, boys.
You betcha, bud. Just shake her out. Couple breaths. Get her done. Dude, go hit it. Alright, bud, get some heat in there. Remember, nice and smooth. Here's your smooth hands. Let her roll. Drive her all the way out to that wall. Use all the track. Oh boy, drive it in there. All the track, man. It's all yours. Use every bit of it. Nice and smooth into here. Slow hands. Unwind that wheel. Get out to that wall. Get down that straightaway. In here, down in here, dive it, there you go, dude, get on and go. Carry that momentum, use all the track, you got tons of room up there, use it all, get her in there, hard in there, yeah, that a boy, let it roll, pick it up all the way out, use everything you got. Good job, Eric. Good job. 1908. You're 5/10 quicker than all you've done. Good job, buddy. Nice drive.
Thank you, boys. That's all you guys. Thank you.
during the pace laps, all I'm thinking is, you know, how's the first few laps going to go? I'm looking at everyone around me, trying to see if they're going to give me any tells, and I'm trying to see, you know, the confidence in just their scrubbing alone, and are they following the person in front of them, or do they do their own thing? Are they, you know, are they warming up their tires, or are they going to probably fall back on the start? And watching the person in front of me, behind me, next to me, and trying to see all the info I can, as well as taking a second to thank everyone for their time, because this is about the only time before all the madness I'll get the chance to do that.
Proud of this group, guys. I got a lot of great people to learn from, and each of you guys play a different role for me, so thank you. I believe everything happens for a reason, and you guys all ended up here for a reason, so let's get after it. Keep our eyes up. Let's be there in the end. Keep me motivated. Keep me on my mark.
All right, make sure you're in the game here. Couple deep breaths. Shake it out. Get it done. One to go at the line. One to go. Alright, pace truck speeding up and getting itself off here. Make sure you get up on that 22. Get closer, get closer, get closer. There you go. A little more, a little more, a little more, a little more, a little more. A little more, they're rolling, roll. Nice start, nice start, nice start. Still outside, still outside. Fire back up and get going, get going. Yellows out, get going if you can.
We're done. They just stopped.
Oh, I know, they just came to a stop. It's all good.
I don't even know what to say.
Fired up, gearing it in. Let's see what we can do.
I don't think there's any race car driver that enjoys it, but you know, at some point it's gonna happen. The last thing I expected was that field to stop as we're picking up speed coming down the front straightaway, but that's exactly what happened. As soon as you spin out, you're overwhelmed with emotions. You got anger and confusion, and you know, you're frantic to try to get the car back going. You're worried if the car's damaged, is it hurt? And for me personally, I'm gutted for all the guys that put their time and effort in all weekend long to help me and to make that car better, because what I am thinking inside that car is we just lost every chance possible to win that race, thinking that the race is probably over for us as there's probably too much damage to repair.
So you're going to be starting at the back here, remember? So big eyes, big eyes, and then we'll start picking them away.
I can't see, but let's roll.
You don't need to see. Drive by feel, man.
Not bad. Settle down and let's get after it, okay?
Yeah, couple deep breaths. It's not a big deal. 80 laps. 80 laps. Shake it off. One at the line. One at the line. They're picking up. They're go. Roll into it. Pick up. Outside. The guys behind you are only catching you because that 41 is holding you up. Need you to get by him. Clear all around you. No pressure from behind. They got no run on you there. Keep it up. Attaboy, you're in there. Don't you dare back out. Fight for it. Clear. Just keep running now. Your line. All the way out to the wall. Nice and smooth hands now. Down to that white line. Attaboy. No one's going to be able to catch you here. Keep it up. Yeah, get in get in there, that boy, even, clear. Focus on the 5 next, let's get him next.
After we got wrecked, I was so upset, nothing else mattered. Everything drowned out, all the sound went away, and the only thing that mattered was the next car in front of me. And after I passed that car, it was the next car in front of me. And after that car, it was the next one. And I found myself in this rhythm of just floating the car through the track instead of fighting the car and just reacting to it. All of a sudden, I found myself driving it instead of just reacting to it. And I feel like those are the things where I really go back and play them over and over in my head is one, how can I be better? But two, the things I felt like I did my best, and how can I replicate those next time I'm out and do it quicker?
There you go, inside, that boy, get them both, that boy. Nice roll there, nice roll. They're racing really hard, big eyes. 5 to go this time, by. 5 to go, you're coming by. Below there, that boy, unwind that wheel, get out there, get past quickly. Straight here, one left go this time by. Sit up, no pressure out the back, focus on what's in front of you. Nice, very good job. Hell of a job, Eric.
The dogfight, boys. Sorry about the start there, but thank you for coaching me through that all the way through, Logan.
Anytime, my guy, anytime. Happy to do it.
Do you remember your first race? Tell me what you remember about it. I remember climbing in the car and feeling out of place. It's something I struggle with today as we bounce around from one car to another and are never a series regulars. I call it imposter syndrome. I never feel like I'm surrounded by people that I should be around. If anything, I feel like I'm jumping into an environment that I probably shouldn't be in, but I'm there. So when we rolled out for the first time, all I can think to myself was, let's just finish. Let's not be a superhero today. Even though in the back of my mind I thought, I got this. You know, today's my day. This is going to be the moment I've been waiting for. And, I was so excited to climb in that car and put on my helmet for the first time. And I'm looking over at drivers, giving them thumbs up, and I'm just smiley as all could be. And honestly, I had no clue what I was getting myself into. And just trying to stay out of the way, but I probably got out of that car thinking that was the greatest day of my life.